Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how we can create email templates in Salesforce in the easy way. So if you want to save time and send professional emails quickly, this tutorial definitely for you. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So by the end of this video, you will learn what is email templates are in Salesforce, what are the types of email templates supported by Salesforce, how we can create email templates in Lightning experience, and some best ways to create. First, we need to understand what is an email template. So an email template in Salesforce are predefined or pre-designed email format that you can reuse. It helps you to save time, maintain consistency, send professional emails, automate communication. So then what are the types of email templates that Salesforce provide? So basically, Salesforce provide different types of email templates. First one is text templates. It is a more simple text email. It is the most commonly used email template by Salesforce because it is just a plain text. In the second one is HTML templates, rich formatted emails. Using in we can use the letterhead. When we are need to use the letterhead, in that time we will go with HTML email template. Custom HTML email template. Custom means based on the user requirement. Without letterhead, we can create a email template that we call it as custom HTML email template. So then the last one is Lightning email template. Actually, this currently it is in classic email templates, but in Lightning we have a Lightning email templates, modern drag and drop editor. So these types of email templates we have. So then how to create? First we need to log in our Salesforce application and we need to click on 9.app launcher. In this we need to search email templates. Just open the email templates. In here you can see the all the folders, all the email templates what we have in previously, but currently I don't have any email templates. I will create new email template. So in here we need to give the template name. So currently I will give it as lead created mail template. Then we need to select the object related entity type, that is lead. Then we need to give the subject. So I will give it as thank you for reaching out and the company name. Then you have a enhanced letterhead. You can also add that letterhead. Currently I don't have any letterhead, so that's why I just leave it as it is. So then in HTML value we have a some space for writing a body of the email template. So we have a font size. We can also set the size, bolding, italic, underline, everything. All the options we have. Attach any image, that is also possible. So in your body I will enter some text like this body I pasted here. So then if you click on save, automatically that email template was ready. You can see template is ready. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.